What happens on your property when you're not watching? Most security cameras just record the crime. But the best ones, they help prevent it. The problem is, choosing the wrong one means you get blurry footage, false alerts from every passing car, and a subscription bill that never ends. We spent months testing the top outdoor cameras in real-world conditions, rain, glare, and pitch-black darkness, to see which ones deliver crystal-clear evidence and which ones leave you in the dark. Today, we're revealing the top 5 outdoor security cameras of 2025 that are truly worth your investment. Number 1. Arlo Pro 5S2K. Since we tested Arlo's Pro 4 Spotlight security camera, the brand has released an upgraded model, the Pro 5S2K. It offers all the same features and capabilities as the Pro 4 with an even easier setup, 30% more battery life, a faster video loading, and support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks with less buffering. Touting a 160-degree viewing angle and 2K video resolution, the Pro 5S2K offers a wider range of views and excellent video quality. Thanks to the camera's color night vision output, the video is just as clear at night as during the day. It also has a built-in spotlight that illuminates when motion is detected and a smart siren that can be triggered remotely or automatically. Number 2. Ring Outdoor Cam Plus 2K. Amazon is finally improving the resolution of its Ring cameras, and the new Ring Outdoor Cam Plus makes a case for itself as the best Alexa camera for that reason. It has a 2K resolution and largely retains the same design as previous generation models, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. While we tested the battery-powered model, it also comes as a plug-in, or there's a solar variety, which is essentially just a battery model with a solar panel included in the box. Like any other Ring-branded camera, it works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to see footage on devices like the Echo Show. Number 3. Tapo C325WB. The C325WB Tapo security camera offers an incredible 2K QHD resolution camera with HDR, establishing an excellent foundation for detailed video feeds. The C325WB utilizes Tapo's Color Pro night vision technology for impeccable video quality even when it's completely dark outside, and the 127-degree field of view helps you see everything you need to within range. It can identify people, pets, and vehicles without paying for an extra subscription, though package detection is not currently included like it is with our number 1 pick. This outdoor home security camera is fully equipped with hardware designed to capture the best resolution possible regardless of the circumstances, all for an MSRP of $120, which is relatively affordable in the smart security camera space. Number 4. Logitech Circle View Weatherproof. Get security you can trust with the Circle View HomeKit-enabled home security camera. Stay informed and feel secure with best-in-class Logitech TrueView video featuring full 1080p HD, 180 degrees field of view, wide dynamic range, and enhanced infrared night vision up to 15 feet away. Designed with a weatherproof body that can brave the elements, indoors or out. Need instant privacy at a moment's notice? Simply tilt the camera down to hide from view, or press the cutoff button to immediately stop streaming and recording. Apple HomeKit Secure Video provides complete control over Circle View through the Home app, with customizable recording schedules and end-to-end video encryption. Number 5. Kasa Smart 2K QHD Security Camera. Designed and built for your family's safety and your convenience, the Kasa Smart Outdoor Security Wi-Fi camera with 24/7 recording KC420WS will keep AI-enhanced watch over your outdoors. Featuring ultra-clear 2K HD and 4MP resolution video, rest assured that no details of faces or objects will be missed. Even at night, the dual-integrated spotlights and Starlight night sensor work together to provide high-resolution and full-color night vision so nothing can hide in the dark. Crisp two-way talk quality is accessible anytime at the push of a button, and you can also trigger the built-in speaker to play a siren to ward off intruders. Using advanced AI algorithms, get notifications that matter with person detection, or create custom activity zones near vulnerable areas like windows to get immediately notified someone is there. Deploy the outdoor security with peace of mind because Camera is truly weatherproof with its IP65 rating, protected from harsh rains and particles. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can stream using Echo Show or Google Chromecast. 2-year warranty. Peace of mind is priceless, and now you know exactly how to get it. To make securing your home simple, we've got direct links to every single camera we reviewed. You'll find the best prices and all the models in the video description below. If this guide made you feel more secure and saved you from a costly mistake, please show your support by hitting that like button. It truly helps us out. Share this video with a neighbor or friend, because security is better together. And for more real-world tests and smart home tech you can trust, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Stay safe.